welcome to Math Lesson 10. We're talking about money today. Woo! Now this is American money, so you're not necessarily going to use it very much on the island, but it is important to know. One, because it helps with your counting, and two, because especially if you want to be a business person, you want to have anything to do with business, you might need to work with American money. So it's very important to learn, okay? All right, so we're going to get started with a little review with our measures. First of all, mixing them up like always. Here we go. Try to beat me to say them. 1 foot equals 12 inches. 1 hour equals 60 minutes. 1 minute equals 60 seconds. 1 day equals 24 hours. 1 yard equals 36 inches. 1 yard equals 3 feet. Very, very good. Okay, I'm also going to do a quick reminder of the names of our places. Remember, we're just talking about the red and the purple, so I'm even going to pull it over a little bit so you're not as focused on the green. Okay, so first we have ones place, tens place, hundreds place, comma. 1,000s place, 10,000s place, 100,000s place. One more time. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place, comma. 1,000s place, 10,000s place, 100,000s place. Very good. Okay, so we get to talk about money today. We're going to start off with the penny. Remember this guy, the penny? A penny is worth 1 cent. That's it, very teeny tiny. 1 cent. So you need 100 of them to make $1. So they are worth 1 cent. You need 100 to make $1. This is called a nickel. Nickel. A nickel is worth 5 cents. 5 cents. So when you count the nickels, you count by fives. 5 cents. And the last one, remember what it's called? Dime. Dime. The dime is worth 10 cents. 10 cents. So when you count the dimes, you count by tens. Now, even though it's worth the most out of these three, it's the smallest in size. This one's the biggest in size, then the penny, then the dime, but the dime is worth the most. So how much is the dime worth? 10 cents. Good. The nickel is worth 5 cents. Good. And the penny? 1 cent. Excellent. When you are counting money, it's very important that you start with the biggest coin first, the one that's worth the most. Count all of those. Then go down to the next one. Count all of those. Then go down to the smallest one and count all of those. So let's give it a shot, okay? Starting with these pennies over here. So when we count pennies, we count by ones. Very good. So I have 1, 2, 3 cents. So I would write 3, and that little symbol just stands for cents. Cents, that's one way to write it. Okay, let's look at my nickels. I count by fives, that's right. So 5, 10, 10 cents. Very good. Okay, let's go to my dimes. I'm going to scoot my chair back a little bit here. There we go. 10, 20, 30, 40. Very good. So in all, 40 cents. Excellent job. All right, now look at this one. They're all mixed together. So which coin are we going to start with? The dimes, that's right, because they're the biggest. 10, 20. Do we have any more? Nope. So now we're going to go to the next biggest, the nickel. So we start counting by fives. So I have 10, 20, And now 5 more is 25. Very good. Do I have any more nickels? Nope. So now I'm going to move to the pennies. And I count by ones. Very good. So I have 10, 20, 25, plus 1, 26, 27. So I have 27 cents, just like that. Okay, when I am writing, sometimes I am writing money using dollars and cents. Here, I just wrote it using cents. But when you have more than that, when you have dollars, you have to start writing it with the dollar sign to show your dollars. You have dollars when you have three places or more. 3 places or more is dollars, okay? So to write it in dollars, I have to count 1, 2, and then put a punto. And then at the very end, my dollar sign, just like this. So let's say this is money, and I want to write it using dollars. 1, 2, punto. Let's make that nice and big. 1, 2, punto, then my dollar sign. Okay, let's try another one. I want to change this into dollars. 1, 2, punto. Then my dollar sign at the end. That's always how you write it. 1, 2, punto, dollar sign at the end. Say that with me. 1, 2, punto, dollar sign at the end. So these are my cents. Ones place, tens place. That's it for cents. You have always 2 places behind your punto. Then your dollar sign at the very end. So let's try this one. 632 cents. I'm going to change this into dollars. So I count 1, 2, punto, dollar sign at the end. Well, what about these ones? These are only pennies. What do I do for those? Well, it's very easy. I have to move 2 places and put a punto. Well, what about this spot right here? I only have 1 number. Well, I need to put a 0 to hold that place. So it becomes 5, 0, punto, and then a dollar sign. Let's try another one. So 3 cents, 3, there's no more numbers, so I put a 0, then punto, dollar sign. That way I have those 2 places. Same thing with this one. 8, 0, punto, dollar sign. Okay? That's all that you need to do for this lesson. Okay? Take your lesson page. Okay, look at number 10 on page 20. Number 10 on page 20 is a story problem. Isabella had 65 cents. She gave 50 cents to her Sunday school offering. How many cents does she have left? Well, remember when you see that phrase, how many left, that means you're going to subtract and put the bigger number on top. Okay, that's all that you need to do for this particular lesson. Well, I mean, not all you need to do. You need to do the rest of the exercises on pages 19 through 20. Okay, have a great day. I'll see you in the next lesson. Love you guys. Bye.